transformation. I am an agent of transformation. I gain access to possess the dispersed souls and not to oppress the molested souls. I am an agent of transformation. I bring success to the oppressed souls for them to possess their possessions. I am an agent of transformation with a vision, like light, the symbol of illumination. Transformation is a spiritual revolution given to the church with a strong foundation to possess the nation. I am an agent of transformation. I am an agent with a vision to wipe out sins like a detergent. I am an agent with a training like a sergeant to arrest and possess the nation. Therefore, I am required to be in fire, to inspire, not to retire with the fire as I come into play in 2014. I am an agent of transformation. The Bible is my sword as I go around the world to preach His word, to redeem the West. I am an agent of transformation. I